Dr. Yogesh Bandale. He is a director from Rasayus Cancer Clinic, Pune, India. Thank you.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
This is Dr. Yogesh Bandale on behalf of Rasayu Cancer Clinic. We are a group of Ayurvedic doctors running a center called Rasayu Cancer Clinic. We are together over here gathered right now as well. And we are going to present today the Ayurveda-based palliative care, which helps the symptom and improve the quality of life in advanced stage of pancreatic cancer patients. These are the findings from real-world evidence in the Ayurveda clinic in last few years. We are a group of doctors where Dr. Avinash, Dr. Anand, Dr. Poonam, Dr. Praveen are working together. So as we all know that pancreatic cancer is one of the most deadly cancer across the world. Despite the availability of varied treatment options, outcomes are poor because of late diagnosis. Globally, at the time of diagnosis as well, majority of the patients, more than 80% patients, where they are surgically unresectable. In India, 95% of the cases are diagnosed at advanced or metastatized stage. Majority of Indian pancreatic cancer patients are eligible, hence, only for palliative therapy. So at least for India, there is a need of our own cancer patients is symptom management, increase in survival, better quality of life, and we need to deliver cost-effective therapies. Knowing all these facts, there are a lot of challenges pancreatic cancer patients are suffering from. Generally, this cancer is asymptomatic in early stage, hence it is diagnosed at a later stage where majority of the time the resection is not possible. The available therapies show dose-limiting toxicity and hence lot of adverse drug reactions are observed. Due to the development of resistance to chemotherapy, those who initially respond to chemotherapy later succumb to disease progression. The overall outcomes of pancreatic cancer remains very poor despite of advances in therapies. Hence, there is a great scope for newer therapies for the management of pancreatic cancer. So, Rasayu Cancer Clinic has developed a Rasayan therapy, which is an innovative therapy for pancreatic cancer. Is a very specialized branch of Ayurveda, which is one of the 8 branches of Ayurveda. It deals with the therapeutics as well as anti-aging modalities, which has both pharmacological and non-pharmacological applications. In oncology practices, the principles of Rasayana therapy are used to establish the dynamic equilibrium in the process of aging at cellular level therapy. What it does, it helps in harmonizing the cell cycle rhythm. It maintains the health of normal cells and tissues, inducing cell death and apoptosis in abnormally growing cells. Rasayana therapy needs to be specifically designed based on the target tissues. Hence, it is considered as a personalized therapy. Rasayu Cancer Clinic is a pioneer in intensive research-based applications of Rasayan therapy in cancer therapeutics. We have done extensive research on application of principles of Rasayan therapy in treating various malignancies. Rasayan therapy has shown encouraging results in treating various cancers in the form of increased survival, better quality of life, and tumor regression as well. This study aims to evaluate the outcomes of Rasayan therapy in the management of pancreatic cancer. So the method we have adopted is the retrospective study, whole system Rasayana based approach. It is not unlike the chemotherapy or unlike the single line etiology like immunotherapies. Study duration is 90 days where all patients suffering from adenocarcinoma are taken together with advanced stages 3 and stage 4 who has already taken conventional therapies but unfortunately become refractory to the available therapies. All age group patients are included with the duration of study is 90 days. Patients where neuroendocrine tumors or slow growing tumors are excluded and patients receiving any other conventional therapy or excluded as well. The medical records of advanced stage pancreatic cancer patients who were treated between 2016 to 2019, who took the treatment for more than 3 months using exclusive Rasayana therapy were selected for analysis. 32 patients are there. We have developed, Rasayu Cancer Clinic had developed a standard protocol where we analyze patients for its safety, tolerability, and efficacy point of view as well. PET scan or any imaging techniques are adopted every 6 months or as per the needs. CBC, LFT, RFTs are done at every 2 months. Evaluation of quality of life and symptoms using validated scales at regular intervals of 30 days. Efficacy variables are checked for pain, severity of nausea, fatigue, quality of life by FACT-G, FACT-IT, and weight were analyzed using the retrospective chart review at day 0, 30, 60, and 90. Here is the results where the statistical significance is seen. It is measured by RM-ANOVA scale. Rasayan therapy showed statistically significant improvement in the severity of nausea and pain after 30 days of treatment. This improvement in both the variables was seen to be sustained till day 90. None of the patients required biliary stenting during the course of the study. None of the patients required narcotic analgesic for the pain management during the course of the study. Weight and fatigue were also analyzed, and it remained stable throughout the duration. Quality of life was assessed by FACT-G and FACT-IT. That is also found to be stable. It is very important and pertinent to note that in pancreatic cancer patients, the stability of these symptoms plays a vital role. So Rasayan therapy is mainly focusing on system biology approach and controlling the environment of the body so as to restrict disease process along with symptom management. Rasayan therapy was well tolerated and no adverse events requiring dose modification or therapy discontinuation were observed in any patient. No dose limiting toxicities were seen. Rasayan therapy seems to be potential palliative care modality in advanced stage pancreatic cancer patients. Large-scale population studies to assess the potential role of Rasayan as an integrative care modality in pancreatic cancer patients may be attempted in future studies. So Rasayu Cancer Clinic and the entire group and our rest of the other verticals are dedicated for transforming tradition to science. Proper documentation in clinical practice using validated tools helps generate real-world evidence of traditional medicine in oncology practice. Thank you for the organizers for giving us opportunity to present our data in this conference. Thank you, Suresh. Thank you so much.